Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Sadiq, geographer and social study teacher. Dear students, I want to discuss today the globe because mostly students are confused and globe and map. Mostly people uh, consider globe as a map, while globe is not a map. Globe is just a model. Map is vary from globe because we can define the map as the transfer of Earth physical and cultural features on a plain sheet of paper is called a map. While the globe is just a model, globe cannot show us uh, the exact size of Earth. So today I am going to show you the various features of the globe. That what are the globe, what are latitudes, what are longitudes, what are the axes, what are hemispheres. So dear students, as you see that this is the axis. What is the axis? The axis is the line, the central line which passes to the poles from the North Pole to South Pole. This is North Pole, while this is the South Pole. You also see, you can see the lines on globe. These are the vertical lines, while these are the horizontal lines. The vertical lines are called longitudes. Longitude we can define as the imaginary vertical lines on globe from north to south pole are called longitudes. The degrees of the longitudes are 360, and we have divided these 360 degrees in two parts, 180 east and 180 west. What are latitudes? We can define latitude as the imaginary horizontal lines on globe from east to west are called latitudes. There are just 180 degrees of latitudes, and we have divided these in 90 to the north side and 90 to the south side. And the middle or the center line from 0 degree latitudes are called equator. Above the equator 90 degrees are called northern hemisphere, while below the equator 90 degrees are called southern hemisphere. The 0 degree latitudes is called equator, and as we go above or below, but if we reach to 23 and a half degree north or south, the lines are called above 23 and a half degree north are called Tropic of Cancer, while the 23 and a half degree south is called Tropic of Capricorn, and the central part between the tropics are called tropical region. As we go above or below, in the northern hemisphere above or in the southern hemisphere below, the 66 and a half degree and the 66 and a half degree north and 66 and a half degree south. These are temperate regions. Above the 66 degrees, these are poles, northern poles and southern pole. This is called northern pole, this is called the southern pole. This is the equator, while this is the northern hemisphere, while this is the southern hemisphere. Hemi mean half, and sphere as you know, that spherical shape, the ball shape is called spherical shape.